Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Cruze headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your engine is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, locate the headlight assembly and the small access panel, usually found within the wheel well. This preparation makes the process much smoother. To access the bulb, begin by turning your front wheel inward. This provides crucial space to work. Next, you'll need to remove the two 7mm screws that hold the wheel well liner in place. Once those are out, gently pull back the liner. This action will reveal the headlight assembly, giving you a clear view of the bulb you need to replace. Now, it's time to replace the bulb. Carefully twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and gently pulling it free. Take your new H11 bulb and insert it into the housing, making sure it clicks securely into place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to your new bulb and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into the housing. Carefully reposition the wheel well liner and secure it with the two 7mm screws you removed earlier. Before you hit the road, always test your new headlight to confirm it's working properly. Also, for great deals and that lifetime warranty on socks, check the description below. You'll find links to other helpful resources there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.